What is up, you guys? It's your boy and I am back for another TikTok video. Let's go. So guys, gusto ko i-share sa inyo kung saan ba nakikita ang terms and conditions. A lot of time, people are questioning me kung saan ba nakikita ang terms and conditions. Ano po bang nakalagay sa terms and conditions? So let me show you this. Alright, so guys, medyo tricky kasi talaga yung terms and conditions. Ano po ba yung mga nakalagay sa terms and conditions? So, ang terms and conditions po, makikita nyo yan usually na may hyperlink na salitang here or minsan naman nakalagay talaga terms and conditions. So let's go ahead and give you an example sa Union Bank's website. Dito, meron silang promo in partnership with MoneyMax. So dito nyo makikita nyo dito, MoneyMax Union Bank 50k raffle promo runs until, ang promo period po, ito yung may nakalagay dyang November 30, 2024. Runs until November 30, 2024. Tapos yung DTI Fair Trade Permit, ibig sabihin, yung promo nila sa credit card aprobado ng DTI. So, ito yung series of 2024. Full terms and conditions here. So, medyo tricky siya kasi the banks will never explain and emphasize yung terms and conditions. Kasi dyan tayo minsan talaga nadadali. I have nothing against the bank. I love Union Bank. Lahat ng content ko dito sa TikTok, Union Bank naman, and also MoneyMax. It's just that, medyo tricky lang talaga yan kasi maliit lang talaga yung, ayan, kita nyo naman dito sa screenshot natin, di ba? Maliit lang talaga yung hyperlink na yan. And then once you click that, pwede mong i-download or i-screenshot yung terms and conditions kung saan nakasaad doon, kung paano mo mamimit yung 50k raffle promo and yung mga eligibility and disqualifications ng mga transactions na pwede mong gawin for you to avail the promo. Minsan naman, katulad ng BPI, may mga ganitong pa-promo. May mga ganito kalaking terms and conditions kung saan naka-hyperlink ng mahaba and hindi masyadong nakatago yung terms and conditions for you to avail the promo, which is nice kasi madali nating makita and madali nating mapuntahan and mabasa ang terms and conditions. So ano bang sinasabi ko sa inyo while making this video? So yun, so gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo guys na ang terms and conditions is something na ifa-flash lang ng bank sa kanilang mga promo ads ng mabilis. Pero the banks, based on my observation, will never explain ang terms and conditions sa inyo because it's your sole responsibility to read the terms and conditions. So, you cannot take it against the bank. It is because, again, ibinigay nila ang terms and condition but was not explained lang. So, yun ang pinaka-importante. I am creating this video for you guys to be informed and aware kung saan ba talaga nakakuha and nakikita and nababasa ang terms and conditions. So, usually, kapag mag-fill up kayo ng application form, lalo na yung may mga promo na no annual fee for life or yung mga promong 50k raffle promo na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, may mga terms and conditions yan on how you can avail the promo, ano yung mga eligible transactions na pwede mong gawin, ano yung mga disqualified transactions na hindi makakount para ma-avail and makuha mo yung promo na in-applyan mo. So again, I have nothing against any bank. I love the banks that I have shown you sa mga screenshot. I just gave them as an example para alam nyo kung ano bang itsura. Kasi most of us are visual learners. Ano bang itsura at ano ba ang ikiklik mo para mabasa mo yung terms and conditions. So again, at the end of the day, ito yung sinasabi nilang read the fine prints because ignorance nga sa law excuses no one. It also applies sa terms and conditions ng credit card na in-applyan mo. I hope this helps.